Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys, wherever you are in this beautiful world, whenever you're watching this YouTube video. Welcome to the Bitcoin Family YouTube Live with my special hodl classes. If you hodl Bitcoin, Bitcoin will go up. I will wait for some people to stream into the live before I start talking some more. I'm going to look at the charts. I'm going to talk about Bitcoin blocking live. You can ask me anything. And yes, of course, talk about a lot of fun and some port. So let's see a YouTube live. And of course, I'm not gonna wear these glasses the whole evening or the whole live, but let's do it like that. Bam, better, way better. Rocky van Osh, welcome. That was a beautiful intro, wasn't it? Beautiful glasses. Rocky, I hear that you're coming also to Portugal to put some tattoos here and there on the places that I want them. Do let me know if the sound and everything is okay. Probably will take a little bit before people get streaming in because I haven't been doing so many lives lately, so sorry for that. I'm back in Portugal, feeling happy, feeling live. Good morning. I'm gonna answer all your questions. We're just gonna have some fun. If you want me to look at some charts, I can look at some charts as well. But Bitcoin almost 30K again, so yeah, what is there to look at charts? I'm drinking less alcohol. Very good, you can see. Way less alcohol. So I drank a lot of alcohol 2 days ago on Friday. Only 1-2 days a week I allowed to drink alcohol. The rest I do the training. If I drink alcohol now on Sunday, it's cheap port, just a port. Welcome, guys. I hope you all enjoyed the Formula 1 today. Verstappen second. Yeah, I think he would have been first if that wouldn't be the issue. But with the safety car, well, okay, it's a good second place, 18 points in the pocket. For all those people, yes, I have a white background. That's the wall of my house. Well, it came up on a huge amount, which it hasn't for, yeah, okay, that's good. So I need to do more lives. Hola, I'm going to say hello to all the people that are coming in. Rocky, Roodje, Sprauxie, Swillingswagge, Goeienaand. Oh nee, Lothar, Martin, Marky, Michael, Lub Kramer, Lillian, James, GB, Wineman, Fred B. Oh, good afternoon, evening / everyone. Again, didn't do a live for a long time. I just came from a beautiful how do you call this, friendly meetup, like friends of mine living here as well, Bitcoin family. I don't know if you know them. They are called Just Be Free Family. They also have a YouTube channel. They do a YouTube channel in Dutch and they show what you can do with Bitcoin and all that stuff. Just Be Free Family. Maybe somebody can put the link in it and then you will find them. We just had a beautiful chat about Bitcoin, blockchain, live projects, private investments, all kinds of stuff. And also he's a very he has been involved with Bitcoin mining for a long time, and he has this small machine, like this big, on his balcony, and he's mining Bitcoin. So I want to do a video with him maybe next week if Patrick has time, and I want to show you this Bitcoin miner. It's not making like massive money, but it's making $7, $10 a day. So it's $300 but just on your balcony. Really cool. So you support Bitcoin. I will make a video next time. Ireland, welcome Ireland. Who do we have? We have the Netherlands, we have Guatemala, and we have the Netherlands. Some English people, I think. Den Haag, Ajax PSV fly. Sorry, is Ajax PSV playing now? Oh shit! So I'm disrupting the football players' PSV live. What is the score? Because I was a PSV fan when I was in the Netherlands. So, hi Aaron Cox, hi Ron Swans, hi Rob Mac, Moro, Stephen, Fred B. What kind of music are you playing, Didi? This is, what is this? This is, I don't know what it is. Next one. 1-1, okay. We should place a bet on that one. Okay, 68 people already. That's beautiful to see. Vienna, also beautiful Vienna. I have a good friend from Vienna. He's living now here as well. Sasha, he was from Vienna, now living in Lagos. More and more people start living in Lagos, guys. I can tell you why, because the weather is beautiful. Like you can see, at the moment, we just have still blue skies, like blue skies. 27 degrees, blue skies. Really beautiful. I'm not on the beach. I'm not on Bam Bam Beach. There is no Bam Bam Beach on the place where there was a Bam Bam Beach. There will be some alternative But I cannot say today Aruba. Oh my God, we have everything in here. Guantanamera, Aruba. We have all the kinds of people. I cannot tell anything about it yet. Give me a couple of more days, and I will tell you where you can come in Lagos, Portugal, spend your bitcoins on a beach in a cool vibe, where I will be with you on the other side of the bar, not working anymore, but making Bitcoin parties. So that's beautiful. Yes, Erwin Cox, I agree with you. Bitcoin looks really bullish. And the Bam Bam indicator just gave a long on the 4-hour chart. We are above the Bollinger Band, so small pullback. But if we are able to close this 4-hour candle above this 29,500K level, I really expect pretty quickly to go to 32K and maybe even 36K before we pull back again, which would be an amazing run. You know, that we run from 16K to 36K, back to 28K, a little bit sideways movement, again to 30K, to 25, to 30, to 36, and then nearing the summer we will be quiet because people will be enjoying their holidays and not watching the market, not trading too much. And then September it starts to move again a little bit more active, October way more active, November massively active, December massively active, because yes, of course, then we are going towards the halving. So yeah, that would be yeah, James, indeed we have the CME gap. Does anyone know? I'm gonna check the CME Bitcoin gap where we are. Bitcoin Friday, guys, we closed at 29,550. The CME. I checked the CME on the website. Look, this is the website, CME. So you can see 29,515. That is mostly where we will go or close together. Go to. That's Teddy. Teddy is killing a bear. Kill the bear. Kill the bear, Teddy. Teddy is killing the bear. Kill the bear. Attack. Kill the bear. Kill the bear. The bear needs to die. We need to go to 30K. Kill the bear, Teddy. Kill him. Kill. Kill. Kill and attack. Ah, Teddy is killing the bear, guys. The bears are being killed. Yes. This means Bitcoin going to 32K. Teddy is killing the bear for you guys. Oh my God, I missed these lives. Why didn't I do lives in Thailand? Oh, time difference, but I like these lives. Yes, live. So, I believe that Bitcoin is really bullish. And again, I'm not expecting a bull market this year, all the way up to whatever people are saying. It is the year before the halving. Around the halving, we will start to go up bullish, bullish, bullish. 2025, in my opinion, will be the massive blow off top. So from now to 2025 is just zooming out, enjoying life, investing all your salary every day in Bitcoin, and you will be doing fine. You will be doing fine. Do I have anything cool? So, the Gaussian channel 5-day chart still red. Maybe next week will be turning green. The weekly, this is like a bounce. It's a beautiful bounce on the weekly. I know you miss Bam Bam, but maybe you don't need to miss Bam Bam. There is something I'm working on, guys. I'm working on. So when I'm telling you that I'm working on something, I'm really working on it. So, yeah, I think people that will come to Lagos will still be very happy. Maybe even more happy. I think more happy. When do I go to El Salvador? When the president flies me in with a private jet and says, "Welcome, Bitcoin family, to El Salvador." You know, he needs to know his place. You know, we were in Bitcoin way before this president of El Salvador. He needs to invite these people that have been pushing Bitcoin through the throats of all the world before that he started adopting it. Come on, a little bit arrogant. We must be a little bit arrogant, you know. We are the ones opening videos with these glasses. We are saying to the El Salvador president, invite us to El Salvador with your private jet and we will come. We will come. We will spread the word even more. Do there will be a major pullback? I don't think a major pullback, but I do think that we could go all the way up to 40K now and come back to 25 to 28K. Definitely possible, guys. Definitely possible. Does it matter? I think that you should be buying Bitcoin every dip now. And if you want to trade, there's beautiful longing opportunities on the 4-hour, on the 1 hour, on the 15-minute charts even. You know, I just closed along from 27 to 29, which was a nice profit. Uh, I don't have time to trade every day, but it's beautiful. I'm also looking at some alts. To be honest, I bought a really cool coin. I think it was yesterday. No, it was, yeah, it was yesterday. I bought a coin. It's called Jasmy. Jasmy, that's an alt, because I think the chart looks bullish and probably it's gonna pop up and double. So if you want to look in Jasmy, just have a look at Jasmy. You can buy it on Bybit down below, of course. Kan je een video doen over hoe je precies een Bitcoin? Yes, I will, Aaron. I will make a tutorial on that, something like that. Lillian, I do a lot of altcoins. I have a whole portfolio of altcoins because I do think a lot of alts could outperform Bitcoin in this next bull run, as we see decreasing bull run tops in Bitcoin, but alts is more easy to pump because it's less capital needed. So yes, I have a huge bag of altcoins. You can find my whole bag in the VIP channel. There's a new website, bonfire.family or something. The links are down below. If you buy 50,000 family tokens, which is around $1,000, they stay in your wallet. But if you buy 50,000 family tokens, you get access to all that stuff. Also the alt list. It's still completely in the beginning, the environment, bonfire it's called. But when it's finished, then you will see a lot of stuff there. But also my alt list is already there. It's a beautiful alt list. And these coins I buy now, like Yesme, that's just, I think that they will pump in the next couple of days, week, just to make some extra profit. Let me see. Good question. I'm sorry, I'm talking too much. I'm gonna check more questions. Where is my wife? My wife is also here. Do you want to see my wife? Totti number 10 wants to see my wife. Miguel Engrosso. Good evening, Miguel. Miguel has sent me a beautiful gift. Again, last time Miguel gave me that amazing gift. At that time, you remember the bucket hat with the drone? That was him. And now he sent me another gift. I will show you that gift when I receive it. Couple of days. I will call my wife for the other one. Finding a friend who wants to take care of your apartment when you are in Spain with the family. You mentioned something about finding someone. No, we are looking for a better house. We have a house with this is a beautiful house, but it's old Portuguese style, and I prefer a little bit more bigger with a better pool. Now we have this pop-up pool, so or we take this for longer, and we need to build a jacuzzi and everything and all that stuff. Or let's see, talking too much. So Bam Bam was not worth the time. No, wait, it was worth the time. The Bam Bam year last year was one of the most beautiful years. I had so much interactive connections with the community, with people like you that are now watching this video. A lot of them came to Bam Bam, even from Canada. They came to Bam Bam to give me a present, a bear tooth. Other people came from all over the world, and I was able to connect with them in my environment, what I love, the beach with bikinis and volleyball and Thai massage. And it was a beautiful time with a lot of alcohol. The alcohol killed me a little bit. I gained 15 kilos. I by now already lost 6.5 kilos in Thailand because of all the training. But I need to train a little bit more. Money-wise, it was a break even for me, something like that. I didn't do it for the money. I did it for the community. I had Jim earn a little bit more money because for him the money was more important at that time. So yes, for him perfect. For me, I was able to break even, and that is good for me. More important for me was the community. What the questions? Yes, Hans Koolmees. I'm talking to Eric. There's a beautiful land on the beach that he bought, and we are looking into many things, but it's going really fast, and it's. We all have busy lives. We all have same goals. We all want to build the same stuff, but life is too busy to really build at the moment. So the connection is there. We have the same mindset. We are the same anti-centralization, same anti-fucked up government in the Netherlands, same all that stuff. We want to build, but it can take a little bit more before we get really to the building. And I have a lot of patience. So for me, all good, all good. Wow, there's a lot of questions. I didn't expect so many people, so I'm skipping too much questions. Does your family extract your Bitcoin if something happens to you? They know exactly what to do, of course. They know exactly locations in this beautiful world where the Bitcoins are stored in safes, so they know what to do. Yeah, the whole family knows exactly what to do. Bybit will require KYC. Yes, Rasmus, very good question. On 8th of May, Bybit is going to do KYC. I had a very good conversation with the team and the CEO, and where I was openly asking them, guys, do I need to worry? Because I'm trading a shitload of capital on Bybit. Do I need to worry that you're gonna sell my stuff to tax companies, governments, and all that stuff? If I, I didn't need to worry. They were very simple. It's a Dubai and it's a shell license. There needs to be a criminal investigation before that they will give away data to other countries. So yes, I'm happy with the solution for them, because now you can have the Bybit card and all that stuff. But I also fully invested, like you read in the article already a year ago, I told you about this, Apex. Apex is a part of Bybit. Bybit is one of the biggest investors in Apex. Apex is a fully decentralized exchange. You trade from your own wallet. Check the links down below all my videos. That is why I'm shifting my capital to Apex, to trade decentralized. Okay, that's good. Jacuzzi is people soup. Yes, but I like jacuzzi. I don't know why. I just like jacuzzi. The school in Mexico, Hank Fink, it's almost finished. I made a video 2-3 weeks ago. I don't know if you saw the video, Hank. Check the last video. You can see already how everything is finished. The classrooms are finished now. Everything is almost completely ready. There's a few things that need to be done before I make the end video. But if you look the video that I posted, I think a month ago or something, you can see that the school, it was really beautiful. Also, probably gonna go there and film again with a documentary to show you the end. Which will go live probably the end of this year. We have, can't tell anything about that as well. So the bonus, Erwin, you only get that when you deposit Bitcoins. Depending on the amount of Bitcoins you deposit, you receive that bonus, and you need to trade with that bonus. Not that you can take the bonus home and take it off. You can trade with the bonus. So that's extra capital to trade. So that's why you use the bonus. Yes, the $30 you get for signing up. Yeah, that you get, but the rest, you need to trade. Yes, we need some more likes, thumbs ups, of course. Manside is key for success. Thank you for reminding me how you arrange the kids with school if you're moving countries. So they don't go to school. I don't know who is this anonymous person, but my kids don't go to school. We unschool the kids. We hate schools. We hate centralized schools. We hate kids that are being brainwashed into be next sheeple that will again be in the line of the banks and the governments. We don't want that. We want free thinking, creative kids that are doing exactly the opposite. So what most parents want for their kids, we want exactly the opposite. We don't want that shit show. We were part of the shit show. We escaped that shit show. So why would I put my kids again in the same shit show? Not our style. I do respect everyone for having their kids brainwashed by teachers that do work not out of passion but out of salary. Please do it. We do it different. And it's not bigger, and it's not better, it's not worse. It's just different. Yes, Bybit card requires KYC. My biggest win in a trade. In a long trade, I don't trade that big, guys. I'm more a DCA guy that holds Bitcoin. So I think my biggest trade would be somewhere around 400k. My biggest loss also 400k. Does it cost to use Apex as a decentralized wallet? You must have block fees to open trade. No, the fees are even lower than Bybit. So check it. The fees of trading are not as high as the fees on Bybit or Binance. So even fees of 0, I think when it comes to taker and maker, I think is 0.01, something like that. But when you need a doctor to save you, I think you want one that learns school in the... No, geen case. I want to do a full discussion on this if you want to. Geen case, my thoughts about the future are different. I believe that your remark is seriously, yes, when it comes to the past. We needed doctors to do operations. I think it will not take more than 10 years that artificial intelligent robots, arms are being used in hospitals to do operations. They are already being used. It's just a doctor using the joystick nowadays, but that doctor is also going to be replaced. We are evolving when it comes to technology in a very quick way. So I believe that what everything is taught to kids now will be useless in the next couple of years. Like in 10 years time, when my kids are like 25 and 30, all the knowledge that all the other kids had on university to become a doctor are like useless, because that will all be done very precise by machines and all that stuff. So I think we need other kind of kids. It's also what you see now in the Netherlands. In the news there was an article that they have too many people that have studied and have a university diploma. They don't have jobs for the university people anymore, and they are missing people that can really build and do stuff with their hands. So now they are going to say to people again, yes, you had a shitload of debt because you need to do the university, but now you have those debt and we don't have a job for you, so now you need to reschool again to something else. So I think a diploma in the Netherlands or in the rest of the world, there is a higher inflation to the value of that certificate or diploma than the money. So that's what I think. I think there will be no value to these diplomas as everyone has the same. So that's what I think. And that doctor, I don't know. I'm more also of nature. So give me ayahuasca or wheat oil or any of those beautiful stuff that also cure a lot of things. And the most beautiful thing in case is, if you live a different life, a little bit more sun, a little bit less stress, and all that stuff, you don't need that doctor that many times. But that's my opinion. Knowing that not everyone will go into BTC, how do you think the CBDC can be stopped? It can't be stopped. It can't be stopped. Debbie, I really think that the CBDCs can't be stopped because we have too many sheeple, which means it's not disrespectful. It's just people that behave like sheeps. They do what their boss, what their herd tells them to do, and that's why a CBDC will be for some something beautiful. It will make their life more easy. It will make life more beautiful. So that's why I think that the CBDC in certain countries will succeed, but in all the non-EU, non-United States, non-BRICS countries, so those three, all the countries aside of those, I don't think they will do CBDCs. And do we have more? Arbitrum, I don't know what to expect of it. I did invest, of course, in it, but I don't have any price estimations. For me, it's very simple. If you look at my altcoin portfolio, it's maybe a simple tip, maybe like sounds really simple. It isn't really simple. If you look at the altcoins at the moment, look to the previous all-time high. I'm talking about valid altcoins, no pump and dump coins, no strange things like layer ones, coins that already had 1 or 2 bull markets. If you look at those altcoins and you look at the previous all-time high, if that previous all-time high is like 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times higher than we are now, it's a good investment. Because if I buy Arbitrum now and it goes times 7 to reach the previous all-time high, I know it also will go times 10 to make a new all-time high. So everything times 10 is a good investment. It's very easy. We are on the bear market bottom. We saw that. We are leaving that bottom. The altcoins are starting to leave the bottom as well. You can see that they are crossing all the downward trend lines on the weekly charts, for example. So these investment moments now in all these tokens are all good because they're all going to go back to the previous all-time high. The valid ones, not the pump and dump schemes. That's something else. No. You will never hear that word, crypto whelp. I'm not. I was. Maybe I can show. I don't have it here. Where do I have it? I don't have it here. No, I don't. Don't do that coin. CBDC has a fatal flaw. People can go to the cash machine and take out the cash to buy things. The cash machines are still a thing. For how long? In countries like the UK and the Netherlands, I don't think cash machines will be surviving, but that's my opinion. I do think they want to control humans, so the only thing where they don't have control is cash or Bitcoin. So cash is already easy for them to make disappear because they have full control on cash. If they say, okay, cash is not usable anymore in the Netherlands, then cash is gone. Bitcoin, they can't control yet. You never know what happens. Sorry if I missed some questions. Yes, JK, I agree. No cash, no privacy, CBDC, end of fiat, end of buying Bitcoin. I do believe that when cash disappears and the central bank's digital currency will be there, that it will be almost impossible to onboard or offboard Bitcoin without a financial institution. So they will force you to use the government's institutions as a step in between to invest in Bitcoins. So if you want to buy Bitcoins, before full control is there, you buy now. This bull cycle, buy. Now you can still buy with cash all over the world. All over the world. You just fly to the right countries and cash out in those countries. Don't fly with cash. Wait, don't fly with cash from the Netherlands to Mexico or from the Netherlands to Thailand, because if they catch you, and they caught me one time with 50k, it's fucked up. You're fucked up. You get almost arrested and all that stuff. But if you take your cash in your bank account and you just fly to Bangkok and then you cash all your bank account empty and you buy Bitcoins in Bangkok with that cash, that's a solution. I don't know, is that illegal? I don't give a fuck. It's a Bitcoin revolution. We are here to do stuff that is not completely good. Good. Christopher, thank you. Back up if your plan doesn't work. No. Good question. Christoph Ebenharter. Ich glaube, du bist Deutsch oder Österreichisch oder Schweizer. I don't have a backup plan. Terrible. I'm not good in backup plans. Which means if Bitcoin goes to zero now, I'm bankrupt. My wife is bankrupt. We are all bankrupt. So yes, if Bitcoin goes to zero, we're bankrupt. I don't have any savings separate. I don't have any real estate. I don't have any gold breaks. I don't have any. Okay, I have some bracelets. And I have some stuff, but we would be financially bankrupt if Bitcoin goes to zero completely. But we choose to support the revolution, and we choose to support Bitcoin, and we choose to, to just believe that Bitcoin will build a better future for the children. So that's why we are in. So no, maybe at the end of this bull market, when my capital has grown to filthy levels, then maybe I need to start to divert. Yeah, I have gold. Here, this is my gold. I have a ring and another ring. I don't have anything. Only we are all in crypto, guys. Still all in. We are, like, sounds arrogant as hell, but you can take all the YouTubers combined that you know with have millions of followers. They are not all in. We are all in. We are all in. And we will stay all in. We are the Bitcoin family. We are not a shitcoin family. A shitcoin is fiat, euros, dollars, all shitcoins. Everything that is not in crypto is a shitcoin. Debbie, by just taking them out of school and letting them live life to the fullest. Yeah, we don't educate kids. Kids are self-educational. They just kids have a soul, have a heart, have a gut feeling, and they need to follow that. Must not follow their brains too much, in my opinion. That's my opinion. So yeah. You're welcome. I love the Bitcoin Caps Crypto Whelp. I think Erwin Cox said there is a few possibilities. I think Bitcoin could replace fiat. Bitcoin could replace gold. Bitcoin could become a reserve capital or the capital, the asset that is used to back up capital or new central banks, digital currency, whatever they all find out. That's why I bet on Bitcoin. It has all the possibilities. I think that now you have like the money that is going through bank accounts and you have the cash. I think the money going through bank accounts will be central banks, digital currencies, and the cash will be Bitcoin. But that combination will also be a store of value like gold. So for me, Bitcoin is gonna be like massive. And I think the more countries are fighting and making wars, and not love but war, the more the countries don't want to use world reserve currency anymore that is owned by a country, a dollar or a yuan or the euro. They can't talk anymore with each other. They're fighting, they're making wars. So there will be the need of a new world reserve currency that all of these countries combined can't control, but that they are able to use to calculate the export of oil or gas. So a currency like Bitcoin that is decentralized, does have a value, does have people believing in it, and it's not able to be manipulated by a certain country. Not the United States can print more Bitcoin. China cannot print more Bitcoin. Europe cannot print Bitcoin. They can mine Bitcoins, but that will take to the year 2140. There is not that they can mine more Bitcoins today than the max. So I do think it could have a role like that as well. What a boring background, man. It's like terrible, this white wall. But sorry for that. There's a lot of wind, so that's why you have this ugly white background. Houston, Texas. Oh my God! Even Houston, Texas in the house. That's like really cool. Houston, Texas is like where they still have the cowboy accent as well, I think, of North. Or is that something I should not say anymore? Is cowboy, that's positive, is it? Oh my God! You need to watch on every word you say nowadays. You can't even say it's a boy or a girl anymore. It's hit. For me, it still have a penis or a pussy. Both with a P. And it's also a person. And I don't care what they are. Let me see. Guido Vasquez, what do you buy first? Bitcoin, Apex, Bybit. For me, Guido, if you are able to buy OTC, so with cash, that would be the best. So if you're able to withdraw cash from your bank, meet a Bitcoiner that is in the need of cash at that moment. You know, we are a community. I sometimes need cash. So if you call me and like, Didi, I have $1,000, $10,000, and I want to buy Bitcoin, I could use the $10,000 to spend here in Portugal, for example. That's just an example. We just exchange, you know, and then you have your Bitcoins for fully anonymous. People can't say that you bought them somewhere, because if you need to buy them with a bank from any of other exchange, then it's difficult. So for me, OTC is the best, and if that is not possible, I would make sure that it is as decentralized mode possible, so like a DEX, something like that. BRICS 24 against dollar, yeah, game over. I agree with that. Tampa, Florida, watching you. Thank you for that, Greg, and thank you everyone for watching this shit, because I'm just talking about Bitcoin blockchain live. I just hope there is a little bit value in it. I don't want to talk too much about charts, because at the moment you just should buy. You should buy everything at the moment. It's like it's buying heaven. Yes, I can make a video on how to trade a long, but it's so simple. It's like all Google is full of these YouTubers that make tutorials on how to do longs and how to do stuff, because it's all, but I don't like that. I want to give real value to my followers, a little bit more like live, all that stuff. I don't want to be a tutorial guy, you know. I don't feel too good to be a tutorial guy, but the YouTubers that make a tutorial for Bybit, they make that tutorial to make money, and because of the links to Bybit. I just I prefer to talk real life, real blockchain, real Bitcoin, real shit, real humor, and get paid. And because you click the link down below. Can you please click the link down below? Go to the link down below, click on Bybit, sign up, and you can get $30 for free. Do it now. Do it. Oh man, I know that you want to see my wife. I don't know where she is. She's cooking. They want to say hello to you. Oh man. Yeah. They want to say hello to you. Okay. If you just come by for 10 seconds, without a knife. She wants to kill me without a knife. Did you see in Thailand, she was reading a book, How to Kill Your Husband? Yeah, that's when you get too much Bitcoins, eh? They want to kill you. They want to kill you for your Bitcoins.
No.
There was a guy asking for you.
For me.
So, that's my wife. Can you ask my wife anything?
Oh God, I need to read the questions again.
That's what she said last night. Oh God.
No. Okay.
No, she had a pillow on the face. So if you want to ask questions, do it now, because she needs to cook my dinner. There's no anticipation in this family.
You cook whatever you eat whatever I cook. So only keep it at that.
I thought you were going to say something else.
No. I'm not like you.
Hallo schoonheid. Are you staying in Portugal? You're punching. What are you cooking?
Shrimp. No. Shrimp with sweet potatoes, mashed potato. And the kids want chicken. They don't like shrimp.
Do you make good paella?
No, I never have made paella.
Who's doing the dishes? What is dishes?
Oh my God.
No.
The dishwasher.
With the dishwasher.
We've got that.
It's an old house,
Yeah.
but we have a dishwasher.
Yeah.
You know? It's luxury.
But I put them in because you have no structure.
Yeah, if I
It
put
doesn't come out clean.
it does come out clean
No,
because
you put everything on top of each
you
other.
can't even know if it
It
comes
will
out
not-
clean, because if I put it in, you restructure it, so you can never show or prove that it wouldn't be clean the way I put it in. Just leave it the way I put it in, and it also will be clean.
Yeah,
It's
the only
serious.
thing what I'm hearing now is blah 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 blah. I'm not there anymore. You know I'm right.
Suck my. We are. Thank you, Dr. Phil. I think it's Dr. Phil.
Peace.
Guys, make peace. We always have peace. Bon dia. Teddy want her back. No, Teddy is chasing a bird or something.
Teddy
over there.
want, huh?
Date Bitcoin BT. I think around the halving, Bitcoin will be around 50k. April 2024. The top will be in July, August, September 2025. My opinion. You two are beautiful. You should see us naked.
Doe het lekker zelf, Didi.
Wat doe ik zelf?
Coca.
I can't cook. I'm
Or
really.
something else, I don't know what he meant.
Wo is eure Hauptwohnsitz? If you mean where are we registered officially, Portugal, 0% tax on Bitcoin. That's my
Yeah.
answer. That's our main. Portugal. Don't talk too much.
Wohnsitz.
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 Hey, wo ist dein Wohnsitz?
Ja.
Sitz auf mein Gesicht. Oh shit. OnlyFans. I should stop drinking banana split as dessert. Yes, it's served on.
I wanted to say something else, but then it's even dirtier.
What?
Chocolademousse.
Yes, we have more chocolademousse. But with the chocolademousse, is always a shit show. There's a lot of dirt in it, huh? And it looks like shit as well. So
No
sometimes-
bacos, just Porto.
No, I'm only drinking. I'm only drinking heavily 1 day a week. So that was Friday, like heavily, like you're used to me, Rocky, like or Miguel, it was, I think. And 1 day a week I allow a few ports or something. But I don't drink that much. I really need to become more healthy, because you see what I need to entertain every night in bed.
Every night.
I
Oh my
wish.
God, I would die.
I wish that would be heaven. Apex, you can only trade. Yes, Apex at the moment only USDC, but keep watching it. Keep watching it. Well, some things will change. How many years of marriage? Too many years, I think. No,
No, marriage is not that long.
no,
We've
2000.
been too long together, but the marriage is
No, the marriage is 2012.
good.
So that's
What?
it's almost 12. When is the special
12
day?
and a half in
12 and a
Holland.
half?
The Netherlands, they call it a special. I don't know what
Silver,
it is, but some
bronze,
no,
12 and a half?
not- wooden? No, I don't know.
Then
I don't know.
that's something else, my wood. But no, yeah, almost 12 years now.
12, yeah.
Yeah, almost 12. This year, 12 and a half years. And this year,
This year, no.
what year? It's
23.
2024 now, isn't it? Oh no, it's 2023. Sorry, 2024. So next year. But this year, something really cool. This year, Elko, we both turn. How old will we both turn? Does anybody know how old we are?
We
In
are-
case, I will tell you in a minute.
Ah, okay.
25 is silver. I think 12 and a half is bronze.
Okay.
But 40 now. I wish 40.
Been there, done that. Yeah.
There's-
We want to have a 90s party, so,
there.
yeah.
There was one white. There was one.
Michael,
Debbie.
of Michelle,
Debbie
no,
said
many
45.
more.
Michael 40. Yeah, we are turning 45, so there will be 90 in total. So maybe we will throw a 90s party here in Lagos on the beach or in
Okay,
our
and
house.
90s Bitcoin party.
A 90s Bitcoin party. So if anyone wants to be on the 90s Bitcoin party, you should be here in the last week of May. So 50. Fuck you.
No, even 65. For
65. Oh, fuck you
Together.
too.
Together.
Fuck
No.
you too. So, if you want to be on that party, you should be here the last week of May. So it will be
Bronze.
a cool
Yeah.
party last week of May. So the party will be in Lagos, Portugal. And that Lagos will be really nice. That party will be really nice. Well, the questions are really goes fast, huh? With 3 daughters and him, do you have any time for yourself?
Yes.
Debbie, and what do you do for yourself?
I learned to make time for myself, or else I go and been there, done that. Yoga, walk, drink,
Play.
Teddy. No, and even spend times with the kids one-on-one. It's also nice.
Koper. 12,5
Nou,
is
ze
koper.
kopen naar waar brons. Ah, oké.
No, I
We
did.
changed.
Nobody knows for
Koper.
sure.
Google.
Yes, I will do a video about homeschooling your kids. That looks very boring because we are unschooling. Homeschooling.
No, we did many things.
Yeah, it's a school of life. But we should make a video. We will make a video on what phases we
We've
walked
been through
through
with
as a
our
family
kids.
with a cup of tea. We make a beautiful video. So to show you how we evolved from schooling parents to unschooling to homeschooling to all that stuff things.
Yeah.
So we will make a video. But that will be not the open discussion video. That will be a video where we just say what we did.
Congratulations, 50 last month.
Yes, I would love a video. Oh, that is going so fast. I didn't expect so many people already. I haven't done a long time. So. Sport makes you slow.
Practice.
Yes, it makes me slow. Sorry. Fuck it. Slow. There.
Lagos, Portugal. Where?
It will be in Lagos, Portugal, guys. Probably. Or Spain. No, Lagos, Portugal. Ze leest boeken. Yes.
Now, how to deal with a man.
No, how to kill your man. The title was, How do I
how-
kill my man? Husband.
Something like that.
Something,
Yeah.
yeah.
But it was too difficult.
It was
so.
a good book.
I thought of an easier way.
Yeah, it was too much energy how she killed the man.
No, he was eaten by a shark. It was.
Yikes, that was
too,
terrible.
we
What
need
was
to-
terrible?
What?
I
And she
will
put
unschool.
tampons in his swimming trousers, and then he got eaten by a shark. Sorry.
Oh, fuck,
Spoiler.
what is that? Spoiler. You see how she wants to kill me? She wants to put tampons in my
No,
ass.
I told you it's too difficult.
Ah.
There are many easier ways. Sit in
Market liquidity
Mexico.
is drying up fast. Yes, James, I can see that as well.
Yeah.
And we are at the top of the Bollinger Band, and I think the wick.
Copa, thank you.
I think we will find some resistance at the top of the Bollinger Band on the 4 hour. And I think we will go, if you look at the Bollinger Band, it's going to be a very thin Bollinger Band, and then that will lead to a breakout to the top or to the bottom again, like we always know.
No, we now have some
that's
medication
good.
for hangovers.
Yes, but avoid hangovers, stay drunk is also a good one. But we have
Yeah,
now
but
medication.
sometimes your body needs to recover. It's my opinion.
Yeah, what is
but
the...
the medication are
pills.
the bruistabletten.
Pills. Oh, we will be in the Netherlands. For all the Dutch people in here, we will be in the Netherlands in July. And I will probably be attending the party of Doopie And I think Doopie has a party on the 1st of July. At least they invited me. This is really bad if I don't remember the date. Huh? No. Yeah, it is live. Sorry. But Doopie I think has a party on the 1st of July. And I will be there to celebrate their party. So if Dutch people want to go, then they should be there as well. We can have a Bacardi Cola. I don't know where. I think it's Brabant.
Ah, damn,
No,
I cannot read that.
It is going really too fast.
Can you do it slow-mo?
Romain, do you trade?
No. Been there, done that, not my thing.
Drop a
I have
will.
enough with my kids and Didi, not more stress.
I hope you close the fire, otherwise your food is burned.
No, it's not, just needs to cook, so I have some time.
You
The
see?
water needs to
She
be
can do 2 times at
boiling.
once. I will be in Alfeva from 21 to 28 May, so I could come over. Yes, with your girlfriend, Mr. 27. Do it.
Daddy?
It will be in that week. In that week, we will have a party. So you are definitely invited. Everyone is invited if you are on this channel. And no, you don't need to pay for your own drinks. Of
There was
course.
something with a family.
Yeah, Duplicate. I love the guys.
Africa.
Barry invited Barry. How do you say this in English? I don't fuck. They invited me, so we are gonna be there. I still need to tell my wife I'm gonna sleep there for a week because I think it's a week. No, just one night, the party. Who thought of the idea to buy? Who thought of the idea to buy Bitcoin between the pair of you? Yeah, I thought of the idea, and my boss said, "Okay, we can do it." Pooldijk, in Pooldijk. This party where I'm going is in Pooldyk.
Okay.
What is Pooldyk?
Sure. It's somewhere around.
Maps.
Pooldyk.
Maps.
Where will it be?
Pooldyk. What is that?
Toen we
for-
naar Zagreb geweest. Daar met dat ding.
Yeah, surfing.
Yeah, we've been there. Not Zagreb.
Pool.
Not
Ah,
Zagreb.
Pooldyk is near Den Haag. Pooldyk is
Den
near Den Haag.
Haag.
Ah, that's a beautiful place to do a party.
No, it's still not on fire. But I will give you the water needs to boil, and the gas is not that big, so it takes time.
I don't know if it's a nude party. I hope, kinda, it's a nude party because I'm
Where
going.
you're going to?
Yes, I'm going
Okay,
alone.
our isn't. No,
Oh, our.
I don't know what they mean.
Which party do you mean? Is the kitchen on fire?
Tegen Den Haag.
I don't know where the party is. I will be there, so I will be there also to celebrate it with the Dutch community, of course. I'm not gonna do meetups like I did last time because I was there for 1.5, 2 months almost. I did 6 meetups through the whole Netherlands, but that one costed me a lot of money, and 2, a lot of energy, and 3, I was drunk 6 times. And I don't want to be drunk 6 times again in the Netherlands. 1 time is enough. Are you falling asleep?
Yeah.
Restaurant Hudson Den Haag. Zuid, daar is feestje. Bam.
Okay, well, I'm gonna cook now again, okay?
Okay, and one more question for Romain because she needs to cook.
She wants to cook.
You need to talk with Leia helping. She says you must cook.
Yeah, I cook steaks for Teddy.
Yeah.
On his birthday.
Ik eet speklam.
Speklam.
What is the tip for raising a daughter? That's the best question ever.
Oh my god, and one answer.
Be flexible.
Well, you need to learn to trust them and give them freedom.
Freedom.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
Too many boundaries makes you stress.
You don't say goodbye to them? Okay.
Bye bye. Maybe I come back.
Maybe she comes back. Wear a bikini. It will increase the thumbs ups and the likes. I don't think it's in Albufeira. I think it will be in Lagos. It's a 30-minute drive for you. But yeah, if you don't want to be there, it's also okay. But I would be there. We have been vegetarian for a long time, Fred. We were vegan for 6 months, vegetarian for a year. So we tried it, but I did miss the chicken. I did miss the fish. I miss the kind of energy and some, vitamins. So that's when we stopped the vegetarian part, and that's when we started again some more meat and everything. Resident in Portugal is a problem with school. Not if your kids, Teddy, not if your kids are officially not living in Portugal, so that's not a problem. Even if your kids live officially in Portugal, still not that kind of problem. It's Portugal. It's not like the bureaucracy of the rest of Europe. They don't have computers here. I don't know why. Very good questions. Africa, because we haven't been to Africa yet. Yeah, we have been to Egypt and we have been to all that kind of stuff, but we want to go to Morocco. We want to go to South Africa, maybe even Kenya. We want to see how the adoption in Africa is really growing. Also now with the wallet that has been built there, that you can use Bitcoin with text messages and all that stuff. So it's still on our bucket list, of course. We just haven't been able to go there yet. It's like COVID was destroying a lot of our traveling plans. The fake flu show killed 2 years of our life when it comes to traveling. So we need to start and invent our new plans now the next couple of years. But to be very honest, the next 1.5 year, in my opinion, is going to be very important for me. It's a lot of work. Because the bull market, I need to be focused. And if I travel a lot, I'm not focused. And I want to be focused. I want to support as much as possible the community, when to enter, when to exit also the market, because I think that's the thing I did wrong in the last bull market. I should have been more focused on teaching people when to exit the market. So this bull market, I really want to educate people, like now it's time to exit. So I want to stay focused instead of being traveling and all that stuff too much. So let's see where we will be the next 1.5 year. We've been many times to Dubai, yes, and Dubai we will probably go again with the kids, but not gonna stay long there. I just don't like the materialistic state of Dubai. We are a little bit different than most of the other Bitcoin influencers. A lot of Bitcoin influencers want to show off wealth. Um, we don't show off wealth. We don't care about wealth that much, and that's also why I won't live in Dubai, because Dubai, it's just about wealth. So yeah, we don't want to. They are good friends of mine, all of them who live in Dubai, but I could not live there. I could not live there and raise my kids in such a materialistic state, and that's not what I want. I love visiting it. I love being there. I love doing all the events there, but I don't want to live there. Apex, your coins are always in your wallet. They're never there. So there is, if Apex goes offline, your Bitcoins are still yours. They are in your wallet. They do create a new wallet, but it's created on your wallet. So when you deposit Ethereum or USDC to Apex, you deposit it in your new wallet that's attached to your wallet. Thank you, CryptoWelp. Ilko Vinema. No, I didn't buy a car. I sold the Porsche that I bought last year. I sold the Porsche and, of course, bought Bitcoin back in the bear market, because that's how you do it. So for the ones that are listening now, like, exiting Bitcoin at the bull market top is not only going to stable coins. If you live the next 1.5 year like a bum, like a homeless guy, and don't buy materialistic stuff like cars and houses, you could exit the market also through buying that kind of stuff at the bull market top. So when Bitcoin is 100K and you need only 3 Bitcoins to buy a nice house, you could buy that house. Or like you need 1 or 2 Bitcoins to buy a beautiful car, when Bitcoin is 100K, you could buy that car. Or your watch, if you desire a Rolex, whatever things all gold with all that stuff, you could buy it at the bull market top as an exit strategy. Because when the bull market top of Bitcoin will be there, then from that moment on, the house and the car or the watch or the gold or whatever things you desire will probably hold more value than Bitcoin, because Bitcoin will crash again 70% to 75% from the next top. So if you think that you should exit not to stable coins but to materialistic stuff, I would do it on the bull market top, and that's what I'm going to do as well. In the bull market top, yes, maybe I will invest in some apartment, a Bitcoin hotel in Mexico, or maybe I will invest in a car because I want to drive that car for some time. And then, when the bear market comes, Bitcoin crashes 70%, you sell the car for 10K less or whatever, and you buy Bitcoins at the bear market bottom again, and then you just use the car for that period. So that's also an exit strategy, what a lot of YouTubers do, and then they monetize that by showing off. Look, I bought 10 cars, 5 cars. Yes, it was the bull market top. You bought 5 cars, you make a beautiful YouTube video, people think you're filthy rich, that gets the more clicks and everything, and then when the bear market comes, the cars are already sold, and they buy back Bitcoins, and that's how they exit the market as well. It's a good strategy as well for some people that don't want to exit to a stablecoin. Apex you can use with whatever wallet. It's just through Wallet Connect, so you can use your Trust wallet, MetaMask, any other wallet that you want to connect through Wallet Connect. No, I don't believe that the top will be after December of 2005. I think that it's going to be the summer, July, August, September. That will be the bull market top in my opinion. Yeah, exactly, CryptoWelp, like that. 85%, no, it's like it was 85, 78, last time now was 75, I think next time will be 72% or something. That's not 70%, it was 74, and if it is 70 next time, it's good. And if we go to 150K, and we crash from 150K 70%, which is 105, then we would crash back to the price of 40k to 37,500, 45k, which would be a beautiful new bottom. So if the next bull market bottom, the next bear market bottom after this bull market in 2026-7, the bear market bottom will be 35 to 40k. Wow, that's a beautiful bottom, isn't it? From there, building again to that few hundred k Bitcoin in 2030, maybe even a million per Bitcoin. There is one thing that people also forget. If you look at the stock to flow model for gold and the stock to flow model of Bitcoin, then next halving, so the halving now in April 2024, Bitcoin will become even more interesting because Bitcoin will be more exclusive than gold. As you know, I don't even know if you know, but Plan B created a stock to flow model, but that is of course the model that was based on gold for years. And if you look at Bitcoin and gold at the moment, then Bitcoin is going to be even wait, I'm checking something to show you, because I want to show you that. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second, because I want to give you the right number. Yeah, I can't find it. I can't find it at the moment. I will make a video on it. Then I will. Okay, yeah, I found it. So from April 2024, the stock to flow ratio will go from 55 to 110 if it comes to Bitcoin. The gold stock to flow ratio is 60. So from April 2024, Bitcoin will officially be more scarcer than gold. So that's a very important moment, because when Bitcoin is going to be more scarcer than gold, that's very important for institutional investors and big people, because they want to invest in scarce stuff, because that is a store of value. Oh shit, the viewers is going up tremendously. How is that possible? What happened? PSV Ajax stopped? Welcome. So yeah, so that will be a massive push for Bitcoin in April 2024, because it will be more scarce than gold officially to the models, to the calculation models from that moment. And that is also what institutional investors look at. They will be like, oh shit, what is there more scarce than gold? Bitcoin. I'm not gonna sell my Bitcoins to them. I'm not gonna sell my Bitcoins to them. You need a wallet. I need a wallet. Which ones do you recommend to me? At the moment, Bitcoin wallet, Satoshi wallet, or Green wallet. There are so many wallets. Do we miss the Netherlands? I don't miss the Netherlands at all. No, not at all. I do miss Frikandel Speciaal. I do miss Patatje Oorlog. I do miss friends and some family in the Netherlands. But not the Netherlands. I can't live anymore in the Netherlands. I can't live in a fake democracy that is not multicultural, that pretends to be multicultural, pretends to be accepting everyone for who he is, but never is multicultural, is only hateful, and never is accepting everyone for who he is. They need to market this shit out of it. So no, I do miss my friends and family, but not the Netherlands. Ooh, more people come again. Let's see if we can reach 200 viewers. Not all millionaires can buy one Bitcoin. That's true. We have 56 million millionaires at the moment in the world. 56 million millionaires. They can't buy one Bitcoin each. I didn't see the MIT presentation of Jason P. Lowry. No, sorry. I didn't see it. Maybe I should see it. I have never watched it. Begrijpelijk. With altcoins, are you called? Adele, I have a list of altcoins. I don't want to show off all my altcoins, because then you will see how much billions of dollars I invested in them. Can I show you a little bit without showing you too much? Okay, maybe I can do it like this. Okay, yes. I'm going to show you quickly which altcoins I have. Okay. Do you want to see which altcoins I have? If you want to see which altcoins I have, I want to see a little bit more thumbs ups. And I want to see people saying also, yes. Show me the money, show me the money, show me the altcoins. G-spots. I won't talk about G-spots anymore. Okay, next time I will talk not about G-spots. Imagine. Okay, I'm gonna show you some altcoins. I need to be very careful that I don't show you too much. Okay, I'm gonna show you some altcoins over here. I hope you can see them all. My list of altcoins. So I have some Polkadot, I have some Aron, I have some Atom, I have Near, I have Cardano, I have Hedera Hashgraph, I have Phantom, Algorand, Cardano, Quant, Avalanche, Matic, Binance. Then to my main alts, these were all layer ones: Rune, Theta, Link, Anchor, Arweave, WMT, ERN. Then I have AI alts: GRT, RLC, FET, VET, Ocean, Ajax, DeFi alts: RSR, TAP, Comp, Aave, Yield, DEX alts: Bone, Apex, Who, Risk alts. I don't have the risk alts. They are on the list, but I don't have them. I don't have them. Now, that was a very quick overview. I have many alts. And these alts will in total go times 10, in my opinion, 10 till 15. So 100k will turn into 1 million to 1.5 million, in my opinion. And then I'm buying and selling some alts now and then. So a few a few days ago, I bought Yasmi. So Yasmi, in my opinion, is a good one. Yasmi, in my opinion, is a good one. So if you look at the TA, so it's TA wise a good one. So you could buy it at a nice price. I think it will pump. If you want to ask me which projects at the moment I am looking into invest, do you want to know that? Which projects? I'm going to show you 2 projects that I think a lot of people should be investing in at the moment. At least I'm looking at investing in them. So they still need to go live, most of them, but I'm gonna invest in them. Nobody nobody want to see it. Solana is on my Dominique. So Solana is in my 2021 list. So I still have a lot of Solana from the previous bull market. This is all what I bought for this bull market. So Solana is also a token that I have, but this bull market already pumped so much in February. I think I didn't want to buy more of them. Okay. I don't know if it's gonna go to $1, but Yasmi pretends to be the new Japanese Bitcoin stuff. So I see that a lot of people are accumulating it, and that's why I bought them on Bybit. To be very honest, but that's a short-term trade for me. That's like putting in a few K, doubling it, happy, and living my life again. AVKVK is asking me what I like about Yasmi. Now, it's not always the project that I like or the fundamentals. It's also the charts. Sometimes charts just look really bullish TA wise, and then you just buy them because TA wise you can think you can make 10 to 20, maybe to 50%. And if you put in 1K and make 50%, $500, I still see $500 as a lot of money to earn with just a trade. So that's TA based, fundamental based Yasmi. I just like that. If you look at the market, there is a huge market that loves Bitcoin, and for example Japan as well. But if there is a project that is fully Japanese, then a lot of Japan people will buy it as well. So it's a combination of, I'm gonna put my charger in. My laptop is almost empty, sorry for that. So that's why. Ooh, already 1 hour. Should I continue because the views are dropping again? Trade with sequence. Yeah, maybe I could do that. Zen is negative. Okay, I need to check Zen. Thanks for explaining. He's back. Top. Koti. I'm in the process of buying Koti. I'm in the process of buying a few more tokens as well, guys. But my alt list is already very long, and to be very clear, all these alts, it's like that I'm not massively investing them. Like it's like more than 76% is in Bitcoin, and the rest I invest in alts or, you know, projects. So for me, it's a small part of my portfolio that I play around with and that I like. You know, if 25% of my portfolio goes times 10, it's nice, but it's not like my most important part. But some alts that I'm looking at the moment to be buying. Oh, I bought a shitload of Woo. I bought a shitload of Woo 2-3 days ago. I think 4 days ago. I think Woo. Yeah, I think that one will be going short-term trade. Short-term trade. Let me see. I am researching this alt list. No, I need to take them somewhere. I put them all in documents. I don't have structure at all. I'm the worst structurized YouTuber, Bitcoiner that have ever existed. No structure in my life, also no structure in my documents, no structure in all that stuff. Okay, give me a little bit more. So the alts that I'm looking at, I'm going to share the alts that I'm looking at, maybe to do a small allocation in them. So I'm not even going to show you. I'm going to, I have everything in Excel. So I'm going to show you, for example, SYS, FKX, VRA, Rose, Azero, Velo, Loop, Tel, Trias, DAC, Rio, CAS, XRD, Storch, Coty, PYR, Red, SCRT, Reef, FIO, and GTC. These are the alts I'm looking at. I'm just looking at them. I'm not saying I'm invested in them. I'm looking at them if I want to invest in them short term. These are not long-term trades. These are short-term trades for me. Okay? Just Rick, welcome. Welcome to all the newcomers. I've been busy already for 66 minutes, but thank you for coming in. Erwin Cox, good question. Can they ban Bitcoin? I don't think they can ever. No, they can never ban Bitcoin. They can only ban the use of Bitcoin. Like they can forbid the use of Bitcoin, but I don't think they want to forbid the use of Bitcoin because, in my opinion, why would they now give access to Bitcoin in governments and banks and all that stuff? They don't want to. They want to regulate it. They want to know who owns Bitcoin. They want to know who is the Bitcoiner. They don't want to forbid it because they know that the technology is a beautiful improvement of their old-fashioned fiat system. But they are going to regulate the onboarding and off-ramp of Bitcoin. Yeah, I know. To be very honest, I am too honest, I think. I am not a real meme coin fan, though I did mine millions of Dogecoin in 2014. So Dogecoin was the first meme coin. I was really big in Dogecoin and I sold also a lot of Dogecoin. And I didn't buy any meme coin since 2017. And a few days ago, I bought my first meme coin again. Yeah. Do you want to know which meme coin I bought? I really bought a meme coin. I bought a meme coin. Don't ask me why I bought it. That doesn't matter. But I did buy a meme coin for the first time since 2017. It's not Pepe. Pepe is already too pushed up massively. The meme coin that I bought, I don't know, should I do that? Maybe people will be like, you're a fucking crazy idiot. Doesn't matter to me. So, the drunken Didi was doing a drunken night, and when he was drunken, he bought a meme coin. That's how I would say it. That's how it's done. And the meme coin I bought is this one. I bought that meme coin. and I bought it somewhere, yeah, somewhere around here. So yes, I'm in profit, but I bought this meme coin over there. So, and that's the first meme coin I bought since 2017, because I'm not a big fan of meme coins, except Dogecoin. I love Dogecoin. I was drunk, hungry. I want to have a pizza. I saw pizza. That's how I talk when I'm drunk. Like, I'm gonna buy that meme coin. I think it's gonna pump. No, that's the meme coin. I think it's gonna be a cool project. Just check them. Maybe you can check them somewhere. So yeah, I normally don't buy meme coins, guys, but that was yeah, fun. So I still have Dogecoin, and now I have pizza. Pepper Girl meme coin is 700k market cap. It's so early. Pepper G, I didn't know that. The one that I bought has a market cap of I don't even know what the market cap is. I think the market cap is not even 100k. So maybe you should check it. 100k market cap can easily double to 200k. That would mean a double in the price. The volume was in the last 7 days. Let's see if it can calculate the volume. No, it can't calculate it. What the fuck is this? 24 hours. 460k volume. Yeah, I just like it. Yeah, I was hungry. And it's almost going to be pizza day somewhere. Right? What was it again? In May? Is it May 23rd or something? It's pizza. Oh my god, stop drinking. So yeah, I bought a pizza. Meme coin. Elko, did you ask a question? Sorry, 20th man, yeah. Check it out. It's just maybe nice. But again, guys, normally I don't do that shit. But sometimes I'm too honest. I share all that stuff with you guys. I hope you appreciate it. I'm still a max Bitcoiner. You know, I do have alts, but it's not more than 25% of my portfolio. So for me, it's just sometimes I like the industry also because of the fun. You know, it's not only money; it's the community, it's the people, it's the fun, it's the. You see, I talked about pizza, and we're dropping from 170 to 155 people. So that didn't work out nice. That didn't work out at all. Maybe I should wear the glasses again. I should wear the glasses. Let's see if we can push up the amount of viewers to higher numbers because I wear my HODL glasses. HODL. I got my bitcoins here, I got my bitcoins there. I'll HODL my bitcoins fucking everywhere. Do you know that song? I HODL my bitcoins here, I HODL my bitcoins there. I HODL my bitcoins fucking everywhere. It's my new rap song. Not funny anymore, not funny anymore. All left to get pizza. Yeah, you know, let's see. Can I see if there is more people buying? Ah, somebody just bought. Somebody just really bought, like 30 seconds ago. Somebody bought 63 million pizza. Somebody just bought 63 million pizza tokens. I love it. It's so beautiful to see. Bitcoin Didi is talking about shit coins, about meme coins. Peppy Girl. Okay, Ben, I'm gonna look in Peppy Girl as well. Maybe I can put some stuff in Peppy Girl. Peppy G. Peppy G. Sounds really cool. Peppy G. Didi, Bitcoin all-time high in 2025. I think July, August, September 2025. And I think the Bitcoin all-time high will be between 120 and 160k. So I'm not there yet with my mind that we could go to 400k. For me, it's 120 to 160k, and it would make me very happy. Million. Yeah, again, no, that was a joke for the tax. No, I don't have millions. If anybody from the tax company is working, I'm poor as fuck. I don't have anything anymore. I'm bankrupt. I lost everything. And I need to be saved by pizza. Penalties. 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 That's why the views are dropping. People are watching penalties. Only 144 people from 174. Not good, not good, not good. If we drop below 125 people, viewers, I'm gonna stop. PSV won. Bam! That's why I loved PSV, of course, because when I started to watch football really in the Netherlands, it was like Mario de Sousa Vario, Ronaldo, and all those people playing at PSV. So that's why I was a real PSV fan at that moment. And then, of course, I played at myself at Fortuna Sittard, the whole youth, together with Mark van Bommel and Kevin Hofflem and all these guys. So they all went to PSV. So that's why I supported PSV even more. And that's why. We are dropping really fast. 139. Okay, then that will mean I need to stop in a couple of minutes. Very good question. Life of a 40-something. Only 12% left on the exchanges. Do you think it's wise? It's wise to sell Bitcoin in the next bear market. Yes, because in the next bear market, that 12% is going to increase again. Because you will see at the next bull market, let's say 24, 25, more Bitcoins will move to the exchanges again. And why will they move to the exchanges? Because more people want to take profit. And the only way for them still to take profit is on an exchange, or they need to use the DEX. So, or the DEX popularity increased massively in the next 1 year. So people will exit the market on the DEX, or people will still use the traditional way and transferring their Bitcoins into an exchange to exchange them there to a stablecoin. So that 12% number will be going up more and more the moment we near the bull market top. So, my opinion. That's a good question. This Tesla Cybertruck and patent orange. That could be really cool. That could be really cool. No, I'm not from Brabant. I am from Limburg. Limburg de gekste jongen met een zachte G. Een zachte G heb ik, jongen. Als ik Venlo's praat, kan ze me gaan verstaan. Dan praat ik bijna Duits. Dat is rijvers. No, Cybertruck, I don't know. I don't like a Cybertruck. I just want to have a... I think if I exit the bull market into a car, it would be something cool. A Jeep, something. I like, for example, a Jeep Wrangler or something. Something that I can drive in Portugal. And I'm not like into Lamborghinis and all that stuff. I don't see a use case of a Lamborghini in Phuket, Thailand, or in Lagos, Portugal. Phuket, you can't drive harder than 80 because the roads are not good enough. Sometimes 100, and Lagos, Portugal, you can't drive hard as well. So fast as well. Faster, not hard, fast. So for me, no, it's not like I'm not a real car person. I tried it last year. I bought a Porsche Cayenne. It was nice, but yeah, not my thing. I sold it already again. So it's not an old cool Jeep Wrangler with a surfboard that I don't use because I don't surf, but just drive to the beach. 80 minutes almost, guys. Good that you stayed so long. Shell and Nike stocks. Oh, I bought also Nike socks. I bought some Nike socks. Didn't buy stocks. It's difficult for me to buy stocks as I don't have a bank account. So for me, it's difficult to transfer money to these exchanges where I can buy stocks. That's why I don't trade stocks. I'm still bankless, unbanked, really unbanked. So yeah, difficult for me. Is that somebody else buying pizza? Yeah, I love Jeep Wrangler, man. It looks so cool. It's just a beautiful type of car. We drove one in Mexico, and there's only one person that bought pizza. The rest, nobody bought pizza. Look, guys, my dinner is almost ready, so I will go and have some dinner. But look, I can eat and talk as well. I don't care about it. Look, ooh. Do you say hello? Can you say hello? Hi. You changed a lot. They didn't see you a long time on the video, so now you grew up, huh?
Yeah.
You're even wearing makeup. And you're taller now than me almost. Speechless. Speechless is what we call. So I can continue it if you want. I can also stop it, but if I continue it, you will see me swallow shrimps. That's a good one. A pizza day video with a family in May. Maybe I will even organize a pizza night in Lagos. And I'll invite all Bitcoiners to the pizza night. I will pay the pizzas for everyone, and we do a huge pizza night in Lagos. A Bitcoin pizza night. That would also be cool. Okay. I hope you really all enjoyed this video. 1 hour and 20 minutes. I'm gonna eat with my family now. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell. If you want to buy some Bitcoin, sign up to Bybit or to Apex Pro. Use the links down below the video, of course, for this. That's how you support me in surviving in this bear market winter. Thank you, and see you next time again. Goodbye.
Ciao.
Goodbye. Teddy, goodbye. Yes, even Teddy is eating chicken. See you next time, guys. Enjoy your Sunday evening. See you tomorrow again, and I will, yes, do some more lives again. More easy for me, no editing and all that shit. I like it. I like your questions. Thank you. Give you a beautiful day. See you tomorrow in a normal video again. Bye-bye.